Hello there, welcome to UK Lockpickers. If you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're watching this from our product description page. This is the Sparrows Kickstart pick set. What's included in this pick set is a really nice canvas Velcro shut case, short hook, offset diamond, triple peak and a city rake. Also that comes in the set is double-ended tension tools of various thicknesses, and again 3 more tension tools, this time with a twist, again different thicknesses and variations. That is the Sparrows pick set. Thanks for watching, see you next time.